How is it being in the war zone?
Oh, it's fun.
So far, I was laying down watching them. I got attacked by a wasp.
Put stickers in my leg hair.
I'm
Out? Douglas, your turn to be cameraman.
Screw that.
He's got 1 life left. Hey! Ah! Colin, just snipe him. Yeah. Covering fire. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Colin's out. Right, no, it's Drew. Drew is out. Repeat, Drew's out. Colin, last man standing.
I can't see him at all.
Well, I guess that sucks for you.
I'm gonna run to the trees.
And what would you guys do without this tent?
Where?
What would you do without this tent?
I'd be probably full of welts. Just like right here, over my arm.
Cuts everywhere.
Start moving, cause he's gonna flank in a minute. Hi, Mom. What's up? I'm about to die. Okay. What? Run into the trees. That's suicide. Yeah.
Here, Drew.
I got you, you little monkey!
Here. You got ammo.
Yeah, I know where he's at. There, go left.
There's Colin way back there with the sniper and a scar.
Go, go, go.
I guess I should probably get closer. They've both got Colin cornered. It's not looking too good for Colin, my teammate. Whew. I'm really sweaty. Alright, we'll go over to Colin now. He's in the midst of the forest. It's me, it's me, it's me! It should be, or else it's either out of ammo. I don't know if y'all can clearly see him, but he's all the way back over here.
David.
Did you check the clip?
Yeah.
You can also pull the charging handle back and see through the charging handle's all the way up there. It's a scar right there. See through the charging port?
If it stops, is it loading?
Yeah, if there's white BBs in there, it's a go.
White BBs where?
In the right in front of the thing that looks like a bullet.
And I'm not seeing any, but there's some in the clip.
Okay, well you should be good. Just roll it up really good. Like, are they at the very top? Okay, good. You probably only have about 50 shots left.
Maybe one. I could use some ammo.
Yeah. I don't know if this pistol's got anything. No, it's got nothing.
Alright, go ahead and go around.
You want this mask? I gotta pick this up. Trevor got me out. You know, Colin is... He's basically screwed him.
I can't believe you haven't gotten out yet. I can't believe it.
Dude, I can't believe that gun only hit me once under the eye. I thought it was gonna hit me.
This is the last time I
Last time
airsoft
for-
in the summer.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
I'm doing our old winter warfare, man. I loved airsoft when it was snowing. Like, you couldn't see the bullets or anything, man.
So you have no idea where they were coming from.
Yeah, it'd be
Dude,
great.
they're inside the garage.
Well, Colin, I guess you could... Colin, CQB, close up the...
No, they're
From the
getting
other side.
resources.
There's a latch on the other side where you can catch it.
Just gonna unload on them whenever it gets there. Oh wow.
I have to give him fair warning.
I'm getting a water break real quick.
Whew.
That's
There's no more water in there.
There is.
What?
So, we got Bear right here as the Juggernaut, and we got, Vladimir...
Impaler.
Yeah, Impaler. I almost said Vladimir the Impaler.
Vladimir.
With,
What the fuck?
Vladimir the Impaler. What?
Let David get this thing for us.
Okay.
Because how are we going to destroy him if they got the two best guns?
Hey, you gotta give them the scar, Impaler.
Fuck that.
Hey, David,
Impaler!
switch guns with Doug.
So anyways, we're playing game of Juggernaut here. I'm not actually playing, but this is so ghetto.
This is so ghetto.
Look, so they gotta shoot this Brahms bag.
I thought it was Crest.
Yeah, it's Brahms. So they got a duct tape, colorful duct tape wrapped all the way
shit,
around.
It is hot as hell.
No fucking kidding. And they basically gotta blow this up.
Sean,
I'm a
if I
cameraman.
hit you right in the mask, you're automatically dead. In the mask. Since we have the
Not
sucky
between the
guns.
eyes, but on the mask.
If I hit you right in the mask, you're out.
What? That makes no sense.
It's because you have. Well, that's because David won't give us a scar, and we have a crappy.
Taking Call of Duty like 12.
Oh hey, let's Judge Judy up in here.
Hey,
I am.
just switch.
Hey, dang it! Just hurry up.
How
Hold on.
kill you with a pistol? A
Shit,
sniper,
this thing's
and-
heavy.
Okay, hey, give him the extra mags.
Hey, Trip.
Hey,
no
did you guys
close
reload
range
this?
shot.
Did you guys
Yes,
reload
I
this?
did.
It's reloaded. Hey, just give him the mags, David.
Okay, remember, cameraman is off limits to being shot. Just want to point that out.
Oh my god! If we're not starting, I'm taking this shit off.
We're starting it right now. Hey, is this loaded, Craig?
All right, I'm gonna start over here.
You know if this is loaded?
It should be.
Why don't you fire? Someone safe?
Yeah.
No, it's not loaded. It's good.
Wait, did you repump it every time?
All right.
Not just the side you have to pull something back. It's fine.
All right, here we go.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Let's rumble.
Yeah, we've been started. Been started. That was terrible. Did you hear something coming from the garage?
I'm not gonna shoot David. David's stupid.
There's the Juggernaut
That,
right
and I
over
don't,
there.
I'm,
Oh fuck! I'm getting out of here. Hey, now you're like Forrest Gump.
David, cover the flag.
It is so scary being a cameraman out here. Let's go. And here's the Juggernaut. I swear if you would have shot me, I would have pulled out my pistol and gone for your throat.
This is coming off.
No, it's still there. It'll be hard to hit though, because it's in the wind. I'm getting away from you.
Where the hell are they?
There's Colin, I guess.
Colin.
Colin, are you out? You're about to be. Oh damn!
Oh dang!
Oh damn!
Oh dang!
We gotta watch that.
Sean's like a tender.
There's Impaler across the way.
Sean, call it! What is this firing? Trevor! I said it on semi! Sean, wait, look!
Boss.
That's alright.
Alright.
Dang, I was hoping that hit the Juggernaut's head.
Wait, wait! Gotta wait! David's getting his mask on.
Alright, so David's over there getting his mask on. The Juggernaut, Sean, is behind the tent. There's Craig all the way out there. Trevor's behind me. And Douglas is past the house.
No, this is a full mask. Hang on.
Oh wait, scorpions are on this thing. Dang, I keep forgetting this.
Where?
I don't know, like,
Hang on.
somewhere around here.
Please don't tell me you broke my mask. Wait!
Man! Had some difficulties with our gun here, but my gun. We fixed it. So, how many times have you been hit yet?
Done.
None? Yeah, we're good!
I want to shoot because the car's there.
Well, I hit Douglas right across the face! Dude, go automatic. Wait, move your... Okay, you're left-handed. You should be...
Yeah.
This is your... There you go.
Oh god, that was fucking scary. Why?
Here, you can take out Sean really easy.